In this episode, we will be learning how to add members to a group in Zangi. To add members to a group in Zangi Messenger, first of all, open the Zangi app on your mobile device and log into your account if necessary. After you're signed into the Zangi application, go ahead and select a group chat where you want to add members. Your group chat will be available inside the Chats tab. Simply open it up and then tap on your group name at the top of the screen. This will open up the group info section. Scroll down and tap on Add Members and then select another member from the list if available. After selecting the member by simply tapping on their name, you can tap on Done at the top right. After finding the member you'd like to add, simply tap on the circle right in front of their name and tap on Done at the top right. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add other members in your group. But just make sure that the person you are trying to add is available on Zangi. So that is how you easily add members in the Zangi group. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.